Hey everyone, let's be real. Cleaning can be a nightmare, right? It's not just the everyday dust and dirt. It's the dried on sticky stuff, the pet hair that seems glued to the floor, the impossible to reach areas. It feels like you need a whole arsenal of tools. Well, I think I found a weapon in the fight against filth. This is the Mova M10 wet dry vacuum cleaner, and I'm not exaggerating. This thing is packed with features and it's changed my cleaning routine. We're talking powerful suction for both wet and dry messes, an insane design that goes completely flat to reach under furniture, edge to edge cleaning, and wait for it, it even cleans and dries itself. I'm putting it through some serious tests in this video, so stick around, let's see what this thing can do. The Mova M10 arrives neatly packaged, and right away you can tell it's not a basic cleaner. The box contains the main vacuum body, which feels solid and well made, the extension handle which clicks in securely, the separate clean and dirty water tanks, the all-important roller brush, and the convenient charging and self-cleaning base. Assembly is super easy and intuitive, just a few clicks and you're ready to go. The clean water tank holds a generous 800 milliliters, meaning fewer refills during cleaning, and the dirty water tank has a capacity of 700 milliliters. The build quality feels premium and the design is modern and stylish. It definitely looks like it means business. Let's kick things off with suction power. Mova boasts an impressive 18,000 PA. I've created a typical dry mess here, some crunchy cereal and stubborn hair. Okay, watch this. One or two passes and it's completely gone. Not a trace. The powerful suction and the metal rollers really dig into the floor. Alright, time for the ultimate test, a sticky liquid spill. Let's see how it handles milk, ketchup, and soy sauce. Wow, it's gone. No smearing, no residue. It lifts the liquid cleanly and the floor is barely damp. You could walk on this immediately. Impressive. Now for one of my favorite features, reaching under furniture. Seriously? Who enjoys wrestling with sofas and beds? The Mova M10 180-degree lie flat design is genius. Look at this. It goes completely horizontal, reaching way under here without me having to move a thing. Next up, edges. The 0-inch dual edge cleaning system is designed to eliminate that annoying strip of dust you always miss with regular vacuums. Watch how this works. The brush cleans right up to the baseboard, and get this, it's cleaning both sides at once. No more going back and forth to get those edges. It's so satisfying. Okay, pet owners, this one's for you. Hair, the bane of any vacuum cleaner. But the Mova M10 has a Tangle-free solution. It sucks it right up, but the real test is the brush itself. Look at this. Virtually no tangled hair. This scraper and comb tooth design really works. No more spending ages cutting hair out of the brush. Now let's talk about the coolest feature, self-cleaning. No one enjoys cleaning the cleaner. Just place the M10 on its dock and press the self-cleaning button. It uses 75 degrees Celsius, that's 167 degrees Fahrenheit hot water to thoroughly wash the brush. This is hot enough to sanitize and kill bacteria. And look at that dirty water it pulls out. It gets everything. The washing, it automatically switches to the gentle hot air drying. Using 140 degrees Fahrenheit air, it completely dries the brush in just 5 minutes. And listen to how quiet this is. This prevents odors and bacteria buildup. The cleaner is clean and ready for its next use. So easy. Let me show you all the dirty water that it took out from the brush and all the dry stuff that it separates. So this is a perfect vacuum to separate the dirt and all the dirty water. Wow, this is incredible. Despite all its features, the Mova M10 is incredibly user-friendly. It has 90 degrees swivel flexibility, making it a breeze to navigate around furniture and corners smoothly. And despite its power and features, it feels remarkably balanced and lightweight to handle during use. The design minimizes arm strain, which really makes a difference, especially during longer cleaning sessions. Speaking of which, it boasts up to 40 minutes of runtime on a single charge, which is plenty to cover large areas without interruption. So, After putting the Mova M10 through its paces, what's the final verdict? Honestly, this machine is a powerhouse that genuinely simplifies floor cleaning. Its ability to seamlessly handle both wet and dry messes with that strong 18,000 PA suction is fantastic. But its thoughtful design features that truly elevate it, the 180-degree lie flat reach gets places others can't. The dual edge cleaning is incredibly effective. The Tangle-free brush actually works wonders on hair, and the hot water self-cleaning and hot air drying system is just chef's kiss for convenience and hygiene. Add in the easy maneuverability and decent 40-minute runtime, and you got a complete package. Who is this perfect for? Definitely anyone with hardwood floors or tiles. It's a dream for pet owners dealing with hair and muddy paws. It's fantastic for families tackling spills and tracked in daily dirt. And honestly, it's great for anyone who wants to save time and effort by combining vacuuming and mopping into one efficient self-maintaining step. The Mova M10 wet dry vacuum really impressed me. It takes so many common cleaning frustrations, hard to reach spots, tangled hair, cleaning the cleaner itself, and provides smart, effective solutions. It's versatile and powerful tools that can generally make keeping your floor spotless much easier. If you're tired of juggling multiple cleaning tools and want to see what the Mova M10 can do for your home, I've dropped the link right down there in the description box for you to check it out. What feature blew you away the most? Was it the lie flat reach? The self-cleaning? Let me know down in the comments. And if you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And consider subscribing for more in-depth tech and cleaning gadget reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.